If you're considering Blackbaud eTapestry for your church or nonprofit, there are 12 things you need to know before making your purchase. We'll also compare it to other popular options, so stick around to find out whether it's the best choice for you. First off, eTapestry is designed for smaller to mid-sized churches and nonprofits, offering a range of fundraising and donor management tools. But before you jump in, understand that it's not the only player in the game. Solutions like Donor Perfect, Breeze, and Kindful also offer similar services. But eTapestry has its own unique advantages and limitations. Next, while eTapestry provides a solid CRM for donor management, it does have a learning curve. Unlike some simpler platforms, it requires some time to understand all the features and set everything up correctly. This might be a deal breaker if you're looking for something quick and easy. Platforms like Breeze are known for being much more intuitive right out of the box. The third thing to consider is pricing. eTapestry works on a tiered pricing model, which means costs can grow with your organization. For some, this can make it more expensive than competitors like Kindful, which charges a more predictable monthly fee. Make sure to check how much you're willing to spend as your donor base grows. The fourth thing to keep in mind is its online giving and donation forms. eTapestry offers customizable forms, but they can feel a bit outdated compared to those on platforms like Donor Perfect or Kindful, which have more modern, user-friendly options. If you're looking for sleek, high-conversion donation pages, it might not be your top pick. Next, eTapestry integrates with several other platforms like QuickBooks, MailChimp, and Constant Contact. However, integration with newer, more specialized tools can be limited. If your church or nonprofit relies heavily on certain apps, you'll want to double-check the available integrations before committing. The sixth thing to note is its reporting capabilities. eTapestry offers customizable reports, but they're not as flexible or as user-friendly as what you'll find in competitors like Donor Perfect. If you need detailed analytics or custom reporting, you might find eTapestry's system a bit lacking. The seventh thing you should know is its donor communication tools. eTapestry allows for automated communication and has basic email tools, but it doesn't match the advanced marketing features offered by some competitors. If you're looking for more dynamic communication workflows, you may want to consider alternatives like Kindful. Next, eTapestry's customer support can be a bit hit or miss. Some users report excellent service, while others have found it difficult to get quick responses. This is another area where other platforms, like Donor Perfect, might have the edge with more consistently available customer support. The ninth thing to consider is mobile accessibility. eTapestry's mobile app isn't as polished or feature-rich as some competitors' apps. If you're running a church that needs mobile access for on-the-go donations or event management, this could be a deal breaker. Next, it's important to know that while eTapestry offers some basic event management features, it's not as robust as other platforms designed specifically for event management. If events are a big part of your nonprofit or church, you might want to explore alternatives like Breeze or Kindful, which are known for their better event features. The 11th point to know is its scalability. eTapestry is a great option for smaller organizations, but can be a bit cumbersome as your needs grow. Larger churches or nonprofits may eventually need more advanced functionality and might find themselves looking at alternatives that offer more scalability, like Donor Perfect or Bloomerang. Finally, Blackbaud eTapestry is a good tool overall, but it's not perfect. It offers a variety of useful features, but it may not be the best fit for every organization, especially those looking for a simpler or more modern solution. If you want something that's easier to use, more affordable, or better at managing your events, you should check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. In conclusion, while eTapestry can work well for some, it's important to understand its limitations and consider other options that might better fit your needs.